everyone. My name is TuesD Chambers, and I am the Ballard High School librarian at Seattle Public Schools. I am so lucky today because I have a fantastic colleague and partner, and this is Shannon Wallace. Shannon, thank you for joining us today. Please tell us a little bit about what we're going to learn from you.
Hi there, thanks for having me. So TuesD has asked me to show off how to get magazines and newspaper articles from other languages. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. Oh, you have to make me.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, so I'm starting at the library's website, which is spl.org. Up here at the top, you'll find the online resources tab. And we're looking for magazines and newspapers. So if you move down to the tab that says magazines and newspapers, this will give you an A to Z list of a bunch of different resources that you can access with your library card number or your library link account number. And the one I'm going to talk about today is called Press Reader. So once I click on Press Reader, you can see it's got more than 7,000 magazines and newspapers in more than 60 languages and available in just like the way you would see a magazine or newspaper. So only people who have an account number have access to this resource. So you're going to want to put in your library link number. This is my staff number, so 991 followed by some zeros, and my employee ID for Seattle Public Schools, and then the PIN being the last 4 digits of my employee ID again.
Knowing that if it's students, it's 994 zeros, their student ID, and then their PIN is usually their birthday, just the month and day, but 4 characters.
Absolutely. Okay, so once we're in, we can actually just close out this little piece of info here to get to the full access of resources. Over here on the left-hand side is how you can sort by what you're looking for. So there are magazines and newspapers ordered by the topic, and the number on the right says the number of publications that fall within that category. So there's 50 magazines and newspapers just about animals or pets. For teachers, you're probably going to be looking for, well, this is particularly useful to find international. So let's go first to this language menu, and you can see what's available here. Again, the number is how many resources there are. So if we scroll down to
Shannon, I just have a little bit of noise.
Okay. So if I scroll down to Spanish, you can see there are 830 different publications that are available in Spanish, and these are going to be from around the world, right? You're going to have Spain, you're going to have Mexico, you're going to have all the Spanish diaspora. So if you're looking for something particular, again, on the left, you can further limit by the type or the subject matter, or you can also limit by the country. If you really want to find publications just from Costa Rica, there are 24 options here.
That's fantastic, Shannon.
Absolutely. I'm just going to pick one. So here's Rolling Stone from Mexico here, and you can see it's giving you the most recent edition here. You can start reading it. It's literally just flipping through the magazine page by page. It gives you all the ads. It gives you all the content. You can jump forward to a certain page. You can also use a search box in the top corner to search all publications or within this publication for any sort of topic you're looking for.
That's perfect, Shannon. I think you have just gonna make my world language teacher's day. So I appreciate this resource and I can't wait to share it. Thank you.
Bye.